So in front of me I've got RAZER Huntsman V2. In this video I'll show you how to manage media panel. To manage media panel on your keyboard, take a look in the top right corner of it. Right here we've got the scroll wheel to change volume. Then if you press this button you will mute or unmute. Thanks to this button we can skip to next song, and thanks to this we can skip backwards. Press this button to play or pause, and that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.